Welcome to 43 Dallimore Circle. I'm Liz Compton of Team Compton with Roy LePage Signature. 43 Dallimore is a 3-bed, 4-bath freehold townhouse with a finished basement, gorgeous backyard, and a 1-car garage. One of the many things I love about this property is that it's facing the Ravine, right behind 16 Dallimore Circle. So calming and peaceful. This is such a wonderful community with its own park, steps to Moccasin Trail, great schools, TTC, and of course, the wonderful shops at Don Mills. Let's go inside and take a peek. I know you won't be disappointed. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you enjoyed the tour of this lovely property, 43 Dallimore Circle. If you'd like a private tour, please give us a call. My cell is 416-802-2497. Make it a great day, and all the best from Team Compton.